Bring him from the yard.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. As a member of Diecast International Builders, I approve this video. This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you a special box from a good friend of mine. His name is Robin. He lives in Nova Scotia. He has some health problems, which I won't go into. And I first heard about him from Chuck over at Flying Valiant, and where Chuck had gotten the card that Robin made for him, and he waited to open it until he was able to make a card to send back to Robin. Since then, you know, I subscribed to Robin's channel and everything, and he is like one of the best guys in the world. He's been customizing diecast cards since the 70s, right? Like before almost anybody else, you know. And he's a great person. So I'll put a link to his channel down below, and just keep in mind that, you know, some of his content is kind of personal stuff. He is such a great guy who loves the diecasting community and loves the cars and loves what we're doing. He won the drawing in my 100 subscriber prize giveaway. He won the Matchbox Wild 5-pack. And he's like, and I showed, and then I got those. My memory's not the best right now. It was the last of the V8 Interceptors, the Mad Max car. And he's like, dude, if you could get one of those for me, I would pay you for it. I have an extra one. I'll send it to you. It's yours. And I put it in with a 5-pack, and he wasn't expecting that. I didn't say anything about it, and he kept every day or every 2 days or something. He's like, yeah, man, I'd love to have one of those. I'd love to have one of those. Like, I think you'll be happy when you get the box, right? So he got it, and I have never ever seen anybody happier about getting a car, and I was able to do that for him. And just out of the blue the other day, he sends me a message and says, hey, I'm sending you a box of some cars I think you'll like. And I don't know what's in here. I was not expecting this until he said so. And I had some cars in my out of that video from Sunday. Was it Sunday? Maybe it was the week before. Not the new arrivals. It was the new arrivals. It was out of that second video of the 40 car lot from Mercari, and there were some cars in here that he said he wanted. So I set them aside for him, and another car that he said he wanted. I haven't even pulled these out to look at what he sent. Okay. So, I don't know what the... Oh. Are you serious? No way. It won't even fit on the camera. Wow. Brand new. Earl. From the 1980s. Boss Hogg's Cadillac Daisy's car from the first few seasons in the General Lee. I had more of this car. I had about 10 of these when I was a kid. Thank you, Robin. And I don't keep cars in the package, but I am not opening this one. Wow. Alright guys, June 15th, Diecast International Builders, we're hosting our first invitational. It's the Surf Wagons. We'd love for you to build the car with us and join us for that. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below. Click that like button for me. I really appreciate it. And ring that bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I'll see you next time.